This week on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're taking a recipe from the Magic Years Preschool Cookbook, 1987 by Denise McKenney. And Mom has one recipe bookmarked in here, and it was submitted by Judy Pavone, one of my cousins. And I remember this recipe from one of the many holidays we spent at the old house with all the family together. And today we're going to be doing Italian sausage casserole. Ingredients: 1 package of Italian sausage, 1 medium onion, chopped, 1 medium green pepper, chopped, 1 pound of mushrooms, 1 medium zucchini, thinly sliced, 1 package of mozzarella cheese, whole milk variety, which I will be substituting out for Sargento, off the block 4 cheese Mexican shredded. And 2 cans of tomato sauce, which I'll be subbing out for fire roasted diced tomatoes. Oil, oregano, garlic powder, and thyme to taste. Cut up the sausage into bite-sized pieces, saute until brown, set aside. In a large frying pan, add the oil, saute the zucchini with the spices until light brown. Add the pepper, the onion, and the mushrooms. Cook until all is lightly brown. Pour in 1 can of tomato sauce. Shred the cheese, if not yet shredded. In a casserole, start layering the zucchini mix, then the sausage, then the cheese, etc. Pour the 2nd can of tomato sauce all over, top with cheese, bake at 350 degrees until bubbly. This was another one of those nebulous recipes. Some of the ingredients, it was just to taste, it really didn't give the amount of time in the oven. It was until the cheese is bubbly, so I kind of left it in for about a half an hour, which was probably a little bit too long, but it really didn't take away from the recipe at all. It looks good, smells great. Oh yeah. Tastes great. My cousin Judy was the one who submitted this recipe to this cookbook. I definitely remember this recipe at some of our family events. Well, this recipe was Italian sausage casserole from the Magic Years Preschool Cookbook. This is 1987 by Denise McKenney, and this was submitted by my cousin Judy Pavone, and this recipe was a winner.